When you think about aviation, what's the first career that comes to your mind? For most people, it's becoming a pilot. But aviation is much more than flying an aircraft. Every flight depends on a team of skilled professionals working together before takeoff and after landing. From pilots and cabin crew to aircraft maintenance engineers, air traffic controllers, airport managers, cargo specialists, and ground staff, aviation offers far more career opportunities than most students realize. In this video, we'll explore the major careers in aviation and help you discover which one could be the right fit for you. Let's take off. India's aviation industry has grown significantly over the past decade. More people are choosing air travel, regional connectivity is expanding, and new airports continue to be developed across the country. This growth is creating opportunities across many fields, not just for people who want to become pilots. Aviation brings together technology, engineering, customer service, logistics, management, and safety into one exciting industry. Depending on your role, you could work at airports, airline offices, maintenance hangars, air traffic control towers, cargo terminals, or even on board an aircraft. Whether your interests lie in science, engineering, communication, management, or operations, aviation offers career paths for students from a wide range of educational backgrounds. Now, let's explore the aviation career map. When most people think of aviation, they think of pilots. Pilots are responsible for flying aircraft safely, following flight procedures, communicating with air traffic control, and ensuring every flight reaches its destination safely. Flight operations include careers such as commercial pilot, airline transport pilot, flight instructor, and drone pilot. If you enjoy mathematics, physics, making important decisions, and working under pressure, this could be the right career path for you. Cabin crew members are much more than hospitality professionals. Their primary responsibility is passenger safety. They conduct safety demonstrations, assist passengers during emergencies, provide customer service, and help ensure every journey is safe and comfortable. If you enjoy communicating with people, staying calm in challenging situations, and working in a dynamic environment, cabin crew could be a great career choice. Aircraft cannot fly unless they are certified as safe. Aircraft maintenance engineers and technicians inspect aircraft, repair systems, troubleshoot technical issues, and ensure every aircraft meets strict safety standards before takeoff. If you enjoy engineering, machines, and solving technical problems, this career could be an excellent fit. Every aircraft in the sky relies on precise coordination. Air traffic controllers guide aircraft during takeoff, flight, and landing, while maintaining safe separation between flights. Their quick decisions and constant communication help keep air travel safe and efficient. If you stay calm under pressure, think quickly, and enjoy solving complex problems, air traffic control may be the right career for you. Before passengers even board an aircraft, ground operations teams ensure everything runs smoothly. They manage passenger check in, boarding, baggage services, customer support, and flight coordination. If you enjoy interacting with people and solving day to day operational challenges, ground operations can be a rewarding career. Airports operate like small cities. Airport managers oversee daily operations, coordinate teams, manage resources, and ensure safety and efficiency across the airport. If leadership, planning, and business management interest you, airport management offers exciting opportunities. Not every aircraft carries passengers. Many transport medicines, electronics, fresh food, industrial equipment, and e commerce deliveries around the world. Cargo and logistics professionals coordinate shipments, warehouse operations, and supply chains to ensure goods reach their destinations efficiently. If logistics and operations interest you, this growing field offers excellent career opportunities. Safety is one of aviation's highest priorities. Aviation security professionals protect passengers, aircraft, airport staff, and airport infrastructure through passenger screening, baggage inspection, surveillance, access control, and emergency response. If you value discipline, vigilance, and public safety, aviation security could be the right path for you. Still wondering which aviation career matches your interests? The best career isn't the most popular one. It's the one that matches your passion, strengths, and long term goals. If your dream is to fly aircraft and you enjoy science and responsibility, becoming a pilot could be the right path. If you enjoy helping people and communicating with passengers, consider cabin crew. If you're fascinated by engineering and aircraft systems, aircraft maintenance engineering is worth exploring. If you stay calm under pressure and enjoy making quick, accurate decisions, air traffic control could be an excellent fit. If leadership, planning, and managing complex operations excite you, airport management is a great option. And if logistics and supply chains interest you, cargo operations could be the perfect career. Choose the path that aligns with your interests because that's where you're most likely to succeed. The aviation industry is much bigger than most people imagine. Whether you dream of flying aircraft, maintaining advanced technology, managing airport operations, ensuring passenger safety, or coordinating global logistics, there's a career waiting for every passion. In part 2, we'll show you how to build a career in aviation from eligibility after Class 10 and Class 12 to training, certifications, and choosing the right career path. Every great career begins with the right decision. We hope this video has helped you take one step closer to yours. This is Techno Corporators. Right guidance, bright future.